Here's how to make time to exercise. Now, if you're a guy in your 30s and you have a hectic lifestyle that's currently impacting your health and physique, this video is for you. Before we begin, hit like, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell to stay up to date with all things fat loss. Train first thing. So I've been coaching for 12 years, and over that time, I've coached a lot of CEOs. These guys are the busiest guys on the planet. Yet, too busy to exercise is not a phrase you'll ever hear them say. They make the time they prefer to train first thing in the morning as soon as they get up. They get it done and it gets them set up for the day. So I'd recommend you take a leaf out of their book, especially if you want to be a CEO one day, and wake up early 3 times per week to get your training sessions done. Schedule in your workouts. On a Sunday, do what I do. Schedule in your training sessions for the week. As mentioned, get them done first thing if you can. Otherwise, find a 1 to 2 hour window to get a session in. And I say 1 to 2 hours because you've got to get to the gym, shower, etc. So account for that time too. Create systems. Here's some things you should do. Join the gym closest to home or work, or even better, both. Pack your gym bag the night before and leave it by your door, and have some equipment at home. TRX, rings, dumbbells. Just make it easy for you to exercise. Have a program. Going to the gym and not having a plan is not going to help you adhere to any kind of training regime. So you should be on a program that's progressively overloaded every week. So this means that for each exercise, variables are tweaked to ensure that you're making progress week on week. Not only will you know exactly what you're doing when you hit the gym, you're going to be encouraged by your weekly, monthly, yearly progress. Get accountability. Make sure someone is holding you to account. A gym buddy or a coach is going to be the perfect solution to ensure that you're making time to exercise week on week.